Hello, welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday, where we're going over a multi-part series on how to use Zoom. In this series, we're going over Zoom basics, some advanced Zoom features, and how to use Zoom to run a successful meeting or webinar. In this video, we're going to talk about how to enable and use the co-host feature. What is a co-host? A co-host is a person who has host controls over your meeting to help run the flow with it. So if you're the speaker of your meeting, you can focus on speaking in your meeting, and the co-host can field questions, add people to the room, and make sure that there's nothing inappropriate going on in the room while you're having your meeting. To get started, we need to make sure that we have co-host turned on in our account settings in Zoom. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Zoom panel here. I'm going to scroll down to under In Meeting Basics. All right, let me go ahead and click this. And we're going to go out and you're going to see this co-host feature right here. And I'm going to go ahead and this is toggled on. So you can see this turns it off, and then this will turn it on. Make sure that's turned on, or else you're not going to be able to make a co-host in your Zoom meeting. Next, I'm going to go ahead and open up the participants window, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the More button. You can see Make Co-host option. It's going to ask me to confirm. I'm going to click Yes, and now this participant is my co-host. If I wanted to remove their co-host capabilities, I can just click More and click Withdraw Co-host Permissions. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, you can check out my other videos for other great tips and tricks on how to use Zoom.